Hello traders, this is TPS. Very good afternoon. This is a continuation of our last video, the heading Secrets of CPR, part 3. In this, we are going to see the following topic, that is types of approach and the rules what we are going to follow for that. So type 3, I gave name ABL CPR like IPL. Here A means above CPR, B means below CPR, L means CPR level. Alright. The rule number 1, candle opening above CPR. Rule number 2, candle opening below CPR. Rule number 3, candle opening CPR level. Come, we'll see one by one. First one, above CPR. The condition number 1, the current CPR has to be above CPR. So I have marked previous day CPR and current CPR. Point number 2, candle has to open above the current CPR. And point number 3, this CPR closes above the PDH. If closes above the PDH, what will happen? What should I do? What kind of trade I can expect? You can expect bullish trend and you can take long trade. Why? Because the candles cannot come back again to test the CPR level. Why? Because the close is above the PDH. This is the secret here. So how you can take the entry? You can take the entry based on the candles indication followed by the confirmation. And there are two candle indication. I got it here, followed by the confirmation. I took the long entry. So this is the point here. In this one more point, I like to add, whenever this particular candle break this PDH level, this PDH become it's a very good support, right? Next we'll see one more example. See the same above CPR and candles above the CPR and closed above PDH. See the market how it went. No candles come back to test the CPR level. This is a above CPR secret. Next, below CPR, same way, previous day, current day CPR is below CPR. Candles opened below CPR. Here you can mark these candles not crossed or closed below the PDL. So what happened? You can expect sideway market between PDL and CPR, right? The same happened here. Second point, I would like to say this particular CPR level may act as a support. Acted right one time, two time, near to CPR, it cannot go up. So it means this CPR acted as a very good support. And another important point, when this particular red candle crossed PDL level, see that market exactly bearish trend, we got it. Okay, now what is this green candle? Whenever there is a bearish market, in between, if you are seeing any of this kind green candle, it indicates a trap. One time, another time, stop loss and another terminology covering all the selling orders to market come down. Okay, this is the points you have to remember when candles below CPR. Now we'll see that candles formation in the CPR level or inside the CPR. In this case, we have to be very careful whether the CPR is a thin CPR or thick CPR. Point number one. Point number two, if the candles are crosses all the level of CPR, then you have to very careful. The top range is going to be act as a support or not. If the top range, if it is not acting as a support, then what happened after this candle, this particular top range will become a resistance, the market will come down. But here what happened, it crossed. So once it's crossed, then automatically here see these candles, this all the candles are supported by this top range. Then you can imagine that market is going to be up. That is what happened. In CPR, candles can easily break. Yes, happened. Next, top range is going to be act as a support or resistance. Here, it's act as a support. Okay. Then what is the next? Market you may expect in long. Once the CPR levels were tested by the candles, we have to see which CPR level top or central pivot or bottom range was going to act as a support or resistant. Okay, that is very important when candles are inside the CPR or in the CPR level. One more example I want to say here. The CPR, the candles are inside the CPR. Okay, now candles are started coming down. Okay, after this particular candle, if you will see this candle, in this candle here, this particular candle, after if you are getting any red candle, what it means, bottom range acted as a very good support, market will come down. But here, because of the thin CPR, all the levels got all the levels got broken. So finally that top range got become support. So here, what trade I took in the sense, as usual, when I judged that the market is in a bullish side, I was waited for right opportunity. When I saw this particular hammer, after the hammer there is a confirmation. After the confirmation, I took the long entry. This is the way you have to understand the market based on the above CPR and below CPR, and candles are inside or all the level of CPR. Hopefully that I covered all the secrets. uh, this video may be useful, and you gained a bit knowledge about how to approach the market while the formation of this kind of candles above the CPR, below the CPR, and inside the CPR. So if the video is useful, then share the video those who really in need, and like, and I'm expecting your valuable comments. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my video.